Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to hand wash properly. Step 1, maghugas muna. Step 2, magsabon. Sponsored by Safeguard. Step 3, kuskusin yung mga gilid-gilid para matanggal yung bakterya. Step 4, hugasan na. And that's all how to hand wash properly. Thank you guys. Bye. Step 3, hugasan na. Ay, mali. Dapat i-shake mo muna ganyan. Shake mo muna yan. Yan. Ganito. Mag-handshake muna. Handshake. Ay, naulit.